Okay, in this part of the video, I will show you how to program, not exactly program, but give an address to the AW-D130A, the beam smoke detector. So for that, we need the programmer, the hand programmer, the AW-PRL101, and this particular cable. So this jack goes to this hole over here, and when you plug the jack, remember, plug it like to go deep in it until you hear a click. So on the programmer, to program the address, we choose the option 1. Let me come back. So you see over here, you see 1. So you press directly on 1, and when you are in, you directly give an address to the device. Let's say 12. Oh, sorry. So 12. And when you are okay with the address, you press on write. So the address will directly be attributed to the device. So now I will do a test in front of you and show you how it goes. Okay. And then remember, when you put the jack in it, put it until you hear the click. Alright. So now I'm already on the address 12, and then I press on write, and you can see it's successful. So to check if the address is already 12, let's say we move it to this, and then we press read to read the address of the device, and when I press read, it will directly come back to 12. That means the address of the device right now is actually 12. So next step, I will show you how to make the cabling to the panel. Okay, now I will tell you about how to make the cable wire with the device. So first, as we know, addressable panels need a loop in and a loop out. So from the panel or another addressable device, from the loop out of the previous equipment to the loop in here, and from the loop out of the AW-D130A, from its loop out goes to the loop in or the other of the following device, or come back to the panel at also the loop in. So this is how it does. Now I will show you how to make the cable wiring with the panel, and in this part we will use the AW-128, and to be able to be connected with the AW-D130A, I will show you how to do it. So as you can see on the panel, let me do it like this. Okay. On the panel, we have a loop out. So the loop out, positive and negative, come to loop in over here on the device. And from loop out of the device, come back to loop in the panel. So this is how to make the wire cabling with the device. And it's also the same if there is other devices on the system. So loop from loop out, come to loop in, and from loop out also go back to loop in. Okay, now the last part of this section will be how to register the device on the panel. So over here you come to menu, you press the menu button, we go to panel setting, and then after that we go to register, and this is the AW-D130A is a wired device, so we go to wired device. And over here, as you remember in the previous part of the video, I gave the address of 12, so we need first to go to 12, address 12. So we go directly to address 12. Okay, we enter, and then on the type we need to go and find our beam smoke detector. Alright, and for the zone and the link, you just do as you want to do it in your system. And the next step is to check the register box. Okay, this means it is registered. And over here for the group and also activation with evacuation, it means that if the button of evacuation is activated, it will also react. So location is just for giving a location to the device. And after you are fine with all the information you want to put for the device, you just save. And as soon as you press save, it will directly come back to the first page over here, and it will mean that the registration has been done correctly.